Today is a big day because today we are laying the cement on the back, on the top of the roof in the back. So what's happening, we'll take a walk down there a bit later, but you can see there's lots of activity, lots of buckets being filled with cement, and we hired a cement mixer to help things along. But there you can see at the back, they're standing there, there's a chain of workers going up with the cement buckets. Very smooth work going on here. They started early, it's like 6:30 in the morning already. Yeah, big day today. Need to finish the entire roof in one go. That's why we ordered the cement mixer to help things along a bit faster. And this is the sand and gravel that we need for today to fill the back roof. There's a bit of work still left for today. Yeah, that machine is going to do overtime today. Everything's been pre-packaged already so that we can carry it. There's the next load. Beat the monster over there. Smoking. You can see they're starting to fill the corners. It's going to take a long time. It's a full day's work. It's 2 hours later and there's already more progress. The whole side edge is already laid with cement. So that needs to dry. But they need to lay everything today and then let it dry all together. So there's still a little bit to go.
He is over the barcode.
Ta-da!
He's in the other side.
Spider-Man!
Yep.
Yeah, I'm gonna fly there. So they've been laying the cement the whole day. And this is how far they've gotten so far. But we still need to finish this today. You can see it's actually it's good progress. But the problem is this weather. Something bad is approaching. So let's hope they can finish it before that arrives.
Rain again. They still didn't finish the flooring in the second floor and it's heavy rain already. Look at that, guys. Oh my god, what to do? Shit.
In typical Filipina style, we have a huge thunderstorm that disrupted our building and the finishing of the roof today. So we don't know what's going to happen now. There's wet cement lying in a puddle of water at the bottom in the courtyard, which was supposed to go into the remaining hole, which now they can't use. So they may have to come back tomorrow maybe and finish it off, but it's not good. You can see the glass of water on the roof now, and the rain doesn't look like it's going to stop anytime soon. Yeah, not the best ending to the day.
Well, the rain has actually stopped and the guys are able to continue working, which is a total blessing. As you can see, they're now completing the rest of the roofing. They're working hard downstairs, mixing the cement, getting it up here, filling the section that's left. Thank God, because the weather is still circling us and it's thundering, but at least it's not raining. Yeah, that's building in the Philippines for you.
Cooking our dinner. Creamy carbonara. Look at that. It's
Thank
so
you, Shella.
yummy.
Shella chef.
Yes, yummy, right? Today I'm the chef.
We're having Italian in the Philippines.
Yes, Italian food in the Philippines. Bon appetit.
For a change. So it's Sunday morning, the day after the big storm from yesterday. And our guys actually managed to finish the roof. Unbelievable. They worked until like 7 in the evening. Some raindrops were still falling, but they went out and started it all over again. And this is the end result. Finished the whole area. It's amazing. I'm gonna try and... Oops, that's not so steady. I'm gonna try and walk there. Oops. Yes. That's our neighbor's roof. Quite conveniently very close. Wow, they did an amazing job. So this is the last section last night they needed to finish. And so now this is the roof for the first floor and the floor for the second floor. If you know what I mean. So we're gonna build the rest over here around. We're gonna have some sliding doors on that side, some windows with a view to the trees. And this is the very sunny side, so we try and minimize the amount of windows we have here. So this is what you can see down there. Was yesterday was the whole cement mixing mayhem, but today it's a peaceful sunny day. Yep. So that concludes the roofing section. Now we're on to the next phase. Now I have to climb back up here. Oops.
Wow, that's so fun.
So I'm here at Pavia Iloilo Mall, and Philippines is the land of beauty pageants, because every time you come to this mall, there is something happening. As you can all waiting to come on, all dressed up. Wow, look at all the costumes. All the clothes are ready. Makeup artists, a whole lot is here. They even have a movie stand makeup. It's taken seriously.
for sharing his time and expertise, of course, for showcasing this stunning collection.
Ay, kapon. Char. Ikaw ka na, no? Wow, good luck. Si Apam. Ha? Tulog pa to.